Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google. Tap Next, agree to terms, continue, and go back. Enter lock screen and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, Hey Google, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be snow showers with a high of 36 and a low of 25.
Remember to try with Hey Google and OK Google because different phones react different on this Google Assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.